This property is a townhouse situated in one of the main streets of Atessa, a lively small town with all type of facilities and including an hospital. The house stands on 3 floors, and the main door, that is an arch made of red bricks, opens into a large landing where we can find a storage space and a staircase that takes us to the first floor. On the first floor we find a large bedroom with balcony. And another bedroom with 2 windows. On the same floor we can also find a large living room with balcony. And a kitchen with a ceramic sink, a fireplace, and a roof window that provides plenty of natural light. Next to the kitchen we can find a laundry room. On the upper floor we can find a large bedroom with a balcony. And an adjacent storage room with a window. This room can be easily converted into an ensuite bathroom. On the same floor we find another large bedroom. And a second kitchen with fireplace, ceramic sink, and a balcony overlooking the street. On this floor there is also a full bathroom with the shower facilities. The internal staircase leads us to the top floor, where we can find a bedroom, and a roof terrace overlooking the center of Atessa. The house is sold furnished, needs some internal cosmetic works and new painting, has all utilities connected, and it is for sale for €70,000.